Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing the secret exit in Snowfall Peak 5-5 in newer Super Mario Bros. Wii. So let's go into the level. So we're already in the middle of the level at the checkpoint. Watch for the Koopa Troopas when you get over here. Mushroom.
Smell those through.
Sort of over my head. Okay, so you duck here. And you go over here. Let's go. So at the end here, you see that there's a yellow pipe. You're going to bonk an invisible question cube there, or cube, and then you're gonna go into the other side, over here. You could also find the third star coin here. Just ground pound your way through if you want to get that star coin. So, stop. Okay. So then, yep. And then you want to go into that yellow pipe that's over there. So just continue ground pounding. Go into the pipe. Watch out for this ice bro here. And then here's a spring if you want to get to the top. And here's the red flag.
You could just bounce all the way up.
Can I go in there?
Wait a sec. Now how to get up there?
Okay. No.
Carry.
I'm trying to.
Can you carry this, bro?
Let's go.
I can't even move.
Well, I'm just gonna have to go on the flag without you.
Okay.
Okay, so there's where the flag is, and Carson can't control. That will lead into these caves over here. Into the Red Switch Palace. So, let's just go to the Red Switch Palace.
The different colors. Look at that magnet. It's cool. I'm gonna keep it. Look at them.
There's a Tanuki Mario. There's a Koopa shell. Now, the Red Switch Palace turned all of those into blocks. And that will be the end of the video. Bye. Thanks for watching.